Hello, everyone. I wanted to review with you our acrostic poem assignment. Um, so this is our formal formative for the Microsoft Word unit, and you are required to create a Microsoft Word document that is an acrostic poem that has a table in it with your name, the letters in your name, and each letter of your name you are supposed to think of a word or phrase that describes you or things that you like. Okay, so these are the instructions for the acrostic poem with table assignment. And you are supposed to create your table with your first name. So as long as you have 4 or more letters in your first name, you just use your first name. But if you have less than 4 letters in your first name, then you have to use your last name as well. So the instructions show you what your required elements are. So you need to pay attention to this box here, and it's very specific. It tells you specifically what you must do. You must have a specific title, acrostic poem, your name. You must center it, bold it, italicize it, and underline it. You create your table. You have to have 5 different font styles in your table that you're selecting, and at least 3 different colors. Okay, and then your alignments. The left column, everything's left aligned. The second column, everything is center aligned. Okay, and then at the bottom, you have to include at least one picture or image. And then if you continue on in this document, there are specific step-by-step instructions for you here. So this is available on my table in the classroom here for you to use and work with. Okay, so here's the rubric for the formal formative assignment. So once you think you're done, what I want you to do is go to the table in the classroom, the center table, and pick up one of these paper rubrics. And I want you to go through it, through each box, each requirement, and make sure that you've done that thing. So you're going to look at your acrostic poem. You're going to say, okay, first, did I put my name, date, and block in the upper left-hand corner? Okay, because that's 2 points. Then, did I do the title? Did I put acrostic poem in my name? And did I bold it? Did I italicize it? Did I underline it? Did I center align it? Okay, then we're going to move down to the table. Did you create the table with the correct number of columns and correct number of rows? And then you fill in the table. And did you use 5 font styles and 3 font colors at least? And so you're coloring the font, the words, and not the background. You can color the background as something extra, but what you're required to do for the rubric is colors of the fonts of the letters. All right, and then alignment. Did you left align your first column? And did you center align the second column? And then did you add a picture at the bottom? And the only way you can get all 20 points is if you do all those things. And the best way to make sure you do all those things is to check the rubric.